Taking our lace from looking like this to this. Show you guys how to fix this problem right here. So this has been happening to me quite often ever since I've cut off my hair. Happens most of the time when your wig is too big. So I just want to show you guys how I go in and fix that mini tiny problem. Okay, the thing that you can do is just tighten the strings at the back. So I'm just going to use this since I can't see what's happening. These are the strings at the back. So if you take the strings and tighten them, you will see how the lace flattens. You see the folds are disappearing. See, it's already giving. And that's how you fix your folded lace, period. She is taking it, honey. Oh, that is how you fix your folded lace. So if you are struggling with that problem, please do give this hack a try and let me know how it goes.